First you looked so beautiful when you flew out of Fahrenheit. You set our world on fire, babe, but you didn't know when to stop.
Thought you could destroy us with your flaming attack, but there's only one direction, and now we're headed back. We're starting over again.
Gonna build this town back up from the ground
with my buddy Christopher Wren. We'll end it being fiery.
I'll put that in my diary
and build this town again.
Gonna fix this town by hook or crook.
My name is Robert Hooke.
Make it good. I've got reams of schemes and rebuilding dreams.
How about avoid using wood?
We're working as a team to rebuild London entire.
Together we get on like a house on fire. We're starting over again. Rising from the embers, our talent you'll remember. With Boyle, Hooke, and Wren.
London will renew, but won't stop it when we're through.
We'll build the future again. In science we will trust. Rebuild these walls.
I'll even redesign the organ at St. Paul's.
We're starting over again. We'll change London first, next the universe. These days will be known for when what we achieved, the world would never be ever the same again. Sorry. Grisly, mean and cruel stuff they don't teach you